was not in your plans, but it happened. You are affected by any form of job cutting in your company, and now you will be forced to think, what should I do next? This is not the easiest situation in life. That's why I have some thoughts to share which might help in the situation.
Welcome at ABCC Positive Change Management.
Hi, this is Aldona Blondin from Positive Change Management, and I would like to draw your attention for two important elements in such scenario. First one, and I need to be already very brutal with you, and I'm very sorry for this, because honestly speaking, there is no any magic trick here, which I can sell you with a recommendation, do this, on this, and your life will be like that, happy again. No, this is the process which you will have to go now through. When it happens to you, please have in mind that you are in the change process, coming from a kind of comfort zone to the unknown future. It takes time, and you will need this time to cope with this transformation in your life. Feeling denial and confusion, it is normal. Work on your change with respect to yourself. It might sound surprising and even inconsistent when your positive change coach is saying this. Still, I need to bring your attention to a danger here. Showing to the outside world how cool you are with this situation, how good you are coping with this challenge, when your inside world is broken, upset and disappointed, it is not healthy situation. This overly positivity might destroy your inner energy, which you will need very much, and generate additional stress. You are entitled to feel low in such circumstances, and in such circumstances, making happy face to the outside world might be toxic. The disappointment happened, let's state it, and we might feel frustrated, angry or sad from time to time. Listen to your head and listen to your heart for when it will be the time to reactivate your energy towards being positive again, because the sun will shine again. Aldona Blondin, your positive change coach.